Hey everyone, Varun here once again from Language Academy. Guys, another day and we have got another champion with us, 8 each in PTE. Swapnil has smashed his PTE exam with 8 each, 85 in writing, 81 in speaking, 80 in reading and 79 in listening. A great score, Swapnil. Let's talk it this way. When you were here, you were sitting in your 70s in all the sections, right?
Yeah.
And that is one of the place a lot of students are sitting and they have kind of given up. They think that yes, from 70 to 80s, it's kind of difficult, they can't really do it. And you were thinking the same at one time, right?
Yep.
You came up to me, should I do NAATI, should I skip PTE,
Yeah.
what should I do? You have got 8 each, congratulations. What do you think is the main difference or was the main difference in this attempt as compared to your previous attempts, which helped you to get over the line?
Yeah, first of all, I like to thanks Varun, Tarun, and everybody, all the sirs over here. Like without them, it was like quite impossible. So just one step, just follow them blindly, trust them, and whatever the instruction they are giving, just practice on the same. So before, like previously in my first attempt after the class, I did few things on my own, so I was like lacking it. My scores were very less.
Right.
So, but after this was the second attempt after the class, and it was really like I was not expecting this kind of score, and constant feedback and motivation from Varun sir was like what get through me over the line.
That's right, Swapnil. You were, every day, even when you used to finish work at 6 o'clock, 6:30, you used to come into the lab. What do you think, how important are lab sessions or how important are mock tests? You have, I think you said for around 7-8 mock tests.
Yep.
And you have got the feedback and result as well. How important are mock tests? How important are lab sessions to, crack PTE with 8 each?
I think the lab sessions are really important because they came to know from there you come to know what exactly where you stand and your actual position. From there you can work out on your from where you are lacking, what section you have to work upon and where to focus. So I think that's the most important thing. We have to constantly give our mock test every Sunday. You should sit on for the mock test.
That's right, guys. So every Sunday or weekend we have got a mock test. You should sit for the mock test, get proper feedback. You should get a scorecard, and then you should come to know what are your weaknesses, what have you have to improve, and what are the strategies you need to change, which will help you to get 8 each in PT. Swapnil, let's wrap it off. Any advice for students who are sitting in their 70s or who think they can't really do it, or it's hard, or the exam is biased, or you were thinking as well that they are not giving me the scores? Any advice for them, please?
Just wanted to say everybody just believe in yourself, and the things which we think are easy, like listening, fill in the blanks and write. I think it's getting more and more difficult nowadays, and we should give equal importance to all the sections.
That's right, guys. Believe in yourself. The very key element, I'll say, it's very, very crucial. That's the base. If you don't really believe in yourself, you won't get the score. First of all, believe in yourself. Don't really think that yes, I didn't really went to English medium school, or my base is not that strong. It's not only about your English, it's about how you practice, what strategies you use, what material you practice on, and then are you getting proper feedback or not. Believe in yourself, practice, trust the process, trust the teachers, and you'll get 8 each like he did. Congratulations once again.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks, guys. All the very best. I'll see you very soon. Thanks, guys.